Hey y'all, it's me, Miss B, and today we are continuing on with talking about exponential functions and logarithmic functions. So, to start, exponents and logarithms are inverse operations, and they cancel each other out if the bases are the same. So this one here, if I have f of x equals 3 to the x and g of x equals log base 3 of x, they're inverses because they both have a base of 3. Okay, so we are gonna do some of these here. So what happens when we have this? We have a couple rules. So because I have 10 base, so I have an exponent, I have a base 10 here and I have a log base 10 here, and I have a log, what I end up with is just x is my answer there. Okay, so that's why we have to know that these are inverses. And this is written in our general properties here. So if I were to say this is like number 1, then that would go with, where is it? I lost it. That would go with this one right here. Okay, this one's number 2. I'll show you how to do this one. So I have a base 5, and then I have a big 5. So what I'm left with is this exponent right here as my answer. So that property right there is going to be, where is it? This one right here, number 2. Okay, this one here, I've got 6 and 6, and so I'm left with the x minus 2 for this one. This one's the same property as the first one here. So I'm left with x minus 2. And then this one here really can't be written anything yet, but what we can do is we can rearrange this to be log base 2 of 2 to the 4th, because 2 to the 4th is 16, and then we just keep that x, and then what we're left with is 4x, because that other stuff cancels out, and that one's actually the same as number 2. That one was much harder than problems we'll have, but it was just kind of good to go over. So really, you're not going to have to do stuff like this. It's really just kind of a why we do this, or why we care. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and find the inverses of these. We just want to find the inverses. So setting this equal to x, we've kind of already done this a little bit. So this is our this is B. There we go. So then I write base exponent equals my answer. Okay, so that right there is it. We are getting into a little bit more difficult problems. So for this one here, this ln can be written as log base e. So then I'm actually going to move this y to the other side, so it's equal to y. So then this is my b, a, e, and I'm left with e to the y equals x minus 2. And so then to get x by itself, I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and I get e to the y plus 2 equals x. And really we're doing this so we can graph. All right, finally, I've got log. Actually, I'm gonna have you guys do this one here by yourself. All right, what you should have done for this one is write as 7x equals y. So we need to turn it into log form. This is B, E, A. So I have log of base 7 of y equals x. All right, and then this last one's pretty tricky, but I want you to try it on your own. Okay, so what you need to do first is we are going to write this as 2 to the x minus 3 equals y. And first we need to actually add 3 to both sides. So we have 2 to the x equals y plus 3. Then I can do my base. So this is base exponent answer, this whole thing here. So then I bay it and I have log base y plus 3. Oh wait, no, log base 2. Log base 2 of y plus 3 equals x. Okay, so just making those problems from yesterday a little bit trickier. All right, and that's all for today, folks.